This is M4 2016 January paper, question 9b. The diagram shows a circle with centre O. A, B and C are 3 points on the circumference of a circle, and angle AOC is 130 degrees. I'm just going to mark that one on. AOC is 130. Explain why angle ABC is 115. Well, if this one's 130, this one here would be 230 to make up 360. And then this one, the angle subtended at the circumference is half the size the angle subtended at the centre. So it'll be half of 230, which is 115. So if I was explaining that, I would say that the reflex angle AOC is 230 because angles around the point add up to 360. And then I would say ABC is 115 because angle subtended to the circumference is half the angle subtended to the centre of the circle. Part 2. The lengths AB and OB are equal. So AB, this one here, is equal to OB, which is this one here. Now, you'll notice we have to calculate angle OBC, which is this one in here. Now we go back to these equal lengths. AB and OB are equal. You'll notice OB, O is the centre, B is in the circumference, so OB actually is the radius. If it's the radius, this is the radius as well, so it's the same length. So what you actually have there is an equilateral triangle. So that one's 60, that angle's 60, and that angle's 60. Now you know that angle ABC, the whole thing is 115. So you're working out OBC, which would be 115 minus the 60 degrees on the other side, which then gives you your 55 degrees.